Hi guys and welcome back to Miss Educate. Today we are going to be exploring the use of colons and semicolons. So, how are colons and semicolons used? Well, colons can be used to introduce a list. For example, I have 3 pets. Colon, a cat, a dog and a hamster. Let's take a look at this sentence here and decide where that colon should go. I need to pack my suitcase. I took clothes, shoes and toiletries. Can you find where the colon should be to make the sentence correct? That's right, it should go after suitcase. I needed to pack my suitcase. Colon, I took clothes, shoes and toiletries. Well done. Colons can also be used to introduce an explanation. Sam was upset for one reason. He had lost his favourite toy. Why was Sam upset? He'd lost his favourite toy. The colon goes just before the explanation of why he's upset. So where would the colon go in this sentence? The school trip was cancelled. The weather was far too dangerous. That's right. It would go after cancelled. The school trip was cancelled. Colon. The weather was far too dangerous. The weather being dangerous is the reason the school trip was cancelled. So carrying on thinking about colons going to introduce a list, where in this sentence would the colon go? Mum packed everything we needed. Sandwiches, drinks and beach shoes. That's right, it goes after needed. Mum packed everything we needed. Sandwiches, drinks and beach shoes. Sandwiches, drinks and beach shoes are the list of what she's packed. So that's why the colon goes before sandwiches. Let's take a look at semicolons. Semicolons can be used to link two related sentences. For example, it was raining. We put up our umbrellas. These are two separate sentences. Let's see what it becomes when we place a semicolon in there. Do you see where the semicolon is? It was raining, semicolon. We put up our umbrellas. It replaces a coordinating conjunction. Those sentences could be, with a coordinating conjunction, it was raining, so we put up our umbrellas. It was raining. We put up our umbrellas. The semicolon has replaced the so. So where would the semicolon go here? I was tired. I stayed up too late. That's right, it would go after tired. Because you could put, I was tired because I stayed up too late. The semicolon replaces that. Where would the semicolon go in this sentence? The dog barked loudly. The baby woke up. That's right, it goes after loudly. The dog barked loudly. The baby woke up. The semicolon goes after the loudly because you could have there, the dog barked loudly, so the baby woke up. The semicolon replaces the so or whatever coordinating conjunction might have been there. Well done. You really should feel a little bit more confident now using your colons and semicolons in your writing. Try and use them in your writing this week at school. It really will take your writing up to the next level. Well done, guys. See you next time. If you found the video useful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content and hit the bell for notifications.